make such wonderful films in 48 hours time, the judges are surprised. They are, you know, how can you do such a thing? Uh, just for the people who don't know, the basic concept is that you make a film in 48 hours. You are given a genre before the competition kicks off, and also 3 elements which you have to incorporate in your film. For Bombay, it was Nimbu Mirchi, that was a prop. Line of dialogue was Chal Hatte Hat Dimag Ki Dahi Mat Kar, and characters were Savitri Prakash and Suraj Prakash. They were a call center employee. And 39 teams have registered, 34 films came on time, and 18 films made to the juries. And the juries, you have seen all, and they have conferred and they have discussed, and they are ready to announce the awards.
I'd like to begin by congratulating Rubina for this fabulous thought, and I'd like to congratulate every single participant, because the fact is that Vinay Shukla on my right, Shabana Azmi on my left, and I, all of us have been in the movies for the last 25 to 30 years and are professional people, and yet it left us gasping that these coherent films could be made in 48 hours. It's really a daunting task, and so congratulations to all of you. I have been asked first that because we are so appreciative of the efforts made, that we would give each participant a certificate, and so we'll start the process now and keep the suspense going for all of you who are chewing up your nails. So let's begin by expect the unexpected. Participate. Dreams International. Congratulations. Free Flow. Orange Sky. Hey guys, you need to cheer a little more than that. A lot of effort has been put into this. Yeah, that's better. Let's see the energy. Orange Sky. Next person, Imago. Latife. Sid. Yay! Woo! Spike Potential. Chai curry. Congratulations. Chai khari. Acha, chai khari. Sorry, that makes sense. Chai khari. Thank you. Boxed Thoughts. You announced that you're taking a call.
Yeah, he's my friend from college, so he's not here. I'm taking it on his behalf.
Mumbai Talkies. Congratulations. Rose. Congratulations. Alpha. Alpha. K9. Congratulations. Thank you. Can we sail far with these boats?
As long as the beach can take you.
As long as the beach can take you with. Karmik. Karmik. Is that? Okay. The vegetables. So yay! So Crusaders. Huh? Yeah, all right, go on. Anxiety, anxiety, anxiety. सबसे पहले मैं विनय शुक्ला जी को, जो कि बहुत बेहतरीन राइटर हैं और डायरेक्टर हैं, मेरे साथ फिल्म गॉडमदर की है और मैं कई बरसों से इन्हें देखती आ रही हूँ। ये राइटिंग, डायरेक्शन दोनों इनके स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स हैं और मैं चाहूँगी कि जो फिल्में हमने देखी हैं इसके बारे में चंद शब्द कहें।
First of all, congratulations, because to conceive an idea within 48 hours, to execute it and then to finish it is really a very, very huge challenge. And most of you have done it with flying colors. You have achieved it. And I really marvel at the kind of products that we all saw. I mean, that shows that for creativity, there is no less time. You know, it's instant, and after all, inspiration is instantaneous. One word of caution, however, that when you make a film or when you want to communicate your thoughts, there should be clarity. Clarity in your images, clarity in your feelings. What is it that you really want to convey? Most of you sought to take recourse in technicalities, and that somehow or the other muddled the ideas that you were trying to convey. But however, it's really very challenging, and I wish all of you a very best future. Thank you.
I'd like Baba Azmi to say a few words, please.
हाय देखिए, जैसे विनय ने कहा कि ये 48 आवर्स में कंसीव करना, एग्जीक्यूट करना, कंप्लीट करना, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अ इम्पॉसिबल टास्क। मैंने जितने फिल्में मैंने जितनी की हैं, मैंने कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस किया नहीं है। नेक्स्ट ईयर शायद करूँगा आप लोगों के साथ। एंड वन मोर थिंग, मेरे ख्याल से मिनी डीवी टेप में शूट की गई फिल्में सारी, आई थिंक दैट इज फैंटास्टिक, बिकॉज टू अचीव द काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी व्हाट यू गाइस हैव अचीव्ड इन टेप, आई थिंक इट्स सुपर। कुछ फिल्में हैं जिनको मतलब सिनेमाटोग्राफी में हमने जज किया, वो हम बताएंगे। एंड आई जस्ट विश यू गाइस ऑल द बेस्ट। आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट वर्क व्हाट यू हैव डन। थैंक्स।
All of you at your creativity and the speed with which you've done it. I only wish to add that next time around, when you're making films, you use the constraint into a plus point. if you're working with TV, then the medium in itself has the possibility of going beyond the story and creating an experience, rather than use it as a means to make a cheaper film. So I think the promise of where that is at has not been fully explored. And I would really think, because see, at the moment cinema is still borrowing from other mediums. It's it's borrowing from theatre, dance, storytelling, all these elements in it. But I think when you're liberated from how expensive film can get, then the medium itself should be able to give you innovative ways of creating an experience that is not necessarily a story. Now, not having a story need not mean nonsense. It means creating an experience. In the same way that even if you don't understand classical music, when you listen to it, something stirs up within you, an experience gets created. So I think if we have our eyes on that is a challenge we can have, it would be something from which a lot of innovative ideas can come out. Thank you very much.